Just got a service call on this machine. It's not taking change. Let's see if we can fix it. Okay, usually, you can see, come here and hold it. Maybe under here. There's a bunch of change hung up. Okay. Let's see where. It must be a messed up corner now. Yeah, that one. That right there messed it up. Let's see if it works now. Test it with a quarter nickel and dime. Nope. That ain't what did it. Let's see what else happened. Probably ain't supposed to snap that back in right. Let's maybe if we reset the machine. To reset it, all you have to do is unplug these two, and it turns the face off of the machine, brake machine. About 10 seconds. That won't 10 seconds, but. Oh, there's a penny in there too. Oh, those kind of coins. Still ain't working. Wonder what it is. Oh yeah, it is. Oh, there you go. Let's see. It should be popping up here when it's putting in. There you go. Sprite.
Two flat tires this morning.
Alright,
Soviet.
well, pretty much fixed. Thanks for watching, like, and subscribe for more vending videos.